What's up, everybody? Let's talk springs today. So a lot of people don't know, Melling actually manufactures their own valve springs. We're one of the few companies in the industry that actually manufactures their own valve springs. What's this give us? This gives us the ability to control our quality and our process on these springs. We make a better spring than just about anybody in the industry. Today we got two new LS valve spring kits for you. Part number VSK 46673-LT. This is a dual LS spring kit. Got a Melling manufactured dual spring. We've got chromoly spring seats, chromoly shims, we've got valve seals, chromoly retainers, and valve locks. This kit's also available with titanium retainers. Part number VSK 46673T-LT. Specs for this spring kit: 125 pounds at 1'8", 370 pounds at 1'150". Solid height is 1'100". OD 1'300". ID is 675 thousandths. Spring rate is 341 pounds per inch. So if you're looking for a spring kit for your LS engine, check out this kit as well as all the other spring kits Melling has to offer.